All right, so for number 2, we're going to start with just text. So I'm just going to draw a text box in here, and we're going to type in the number 2. I'll select it, and then we'll come over here and choose a font that looks like the text that we have. Let's actually make it larger first. Give us a little bit bigger size, and we can adjust it here. If we pick this, we can come in here and we'll make the size bigger here in a second. But that looks like the 2, that type of text. So if I go back to text here, let's make it bold. Looks like that's probably, because it's got that angle to it. So it could be this one or this one. So either one of these. Let's take a look at this. And can we make that one bold? Yes, we can make that one bold. And then what we can do is just go ahead and create the outlines. Let's go ahead and make it a red. So now that it's an outline, what we can do is now we can, undo that. Let's pick this, and then I can just shape it. So I can make it the shape of the other 2 here. See that text is a little bit off, but it's close enough for what we're doing. Let's add some, make that a 1. And there's our 2. If we zoom in a little bit, that's pretty good. Now we can take this if we want to and kind of change the shape to make the shape look more like the 2 that's in there. You can see here it kind of bows out a little bit. So if we maybe do this, more of that, and then we can anchor this 2 in here as well. So we kind of move it in. So you can see I can shape it just by starting with the number 2 and then shape it to make it look more along the lines of the 2 that's there, right? And then we can change these angles. So really it's up to your discretion of what you want it to look like. But that's the number 2. And again, as we darken everything back up, it'll become brighter and bolder. So we'll work on the hand, and then we got the cannons left, and then we got the arms of decision down here to put in the little banner.